Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rush Hour Learning. In this video, we are going to learn about variables in C language. We are going to learn what are variables, rules of variables, declaring variables, and how to assign data or value to the variables. Let's get into the video and learn more about these videos. Variables. A variable is a named storage location in the computer memory that holds a value. The variable holds the value or data given by the programmer. Every variable in C must be declared with a specific data type. Here we are saying that here, for example, I have a glass of water. Here I have a glass of water. Here I'm saying this as my variable and this as my data. How are you saying this? How means this glass is storing my water. It is holding my water. So according to this definition, we can say that this is my glass is my variable and water is my data. I have given the same example here. You can check it out. Next, rules of variables. Let's get started. A variable must start from a letter or underscore. And remember, underscore can be anywhere throughout the variable. Underscore can be anywhere throughout the variable. We cannot use empty spaces between the name of a variable. You can't, for example, this two word is my variable. I can't give a empty space between these two. Either I have to club them or I have to give an underscore there. Until I'm declaring two variables, I can't define it like that. So it's wrong to define empty variables in between the variables, empty space in between the variables. Variables are case sensitive. That means capital A is different from small a. Yes, for example, I am defining a is equal to 5, a equal to 5 at once. Okay, here a equal to 9. This and this are completely different. They will get on different locations to store. They won't be stored in a particular location. They will be stored in a different location. Okay, next, we should not use keywords as variables. Why? What are these keywords? Keywords are a specific words which that already has a meaning in it. We can't change it by by assigning data to it and making it as a variable. So it has already a meaning, so we can't use the keywords as variables. Variable cannot start with a digit. Remember this. We'll do an exercise based on this. Variables are assigned using assignment operator. Okay, is equal to. Next, few examples of valid variables. Okay, let's check if it is valid or not. Okay, just tell me, I gave this age and age. Is it okay to have both in one side? Can I declare these both in a single variable? Yes, this is different and this is different, so I can define both. And this is different from this. This is completely different from this because I'm using caps here, I'm using lowercase here. So next, is it correct or not? Yes, it's correct according to this one. According to this underscore. Underscore can be used. Underscore can be used at the beginning of the variable. Next, total mark. This is also okay. total marks. This is absolutely fine because there is no worries in it, so it's fine. Maximum marks. I'm giving an underscore in between these. I'm not giving any space here, so it is also valid. Next, 12 marks. What I said, this variable cannot start with a digit, so this 12 marks is not valid. Okay, next, maximum marks. What I said, this can't be there. Empty space can't be there between the variables, so this also can't be a variable. Return. Okay, so what is this return? We use this return. Return is a keyword. Return is a keyword which already has a meaning for it, so we can't change it according by giving this variable, so it is also not valid. Okay, next. Sorry, there will be a D E here. Okay, next. How to declare a variable? That declaration means I'm saying that I'm going to give a variable. I'm declaring it. Okay, I'm giving a variable to it. That's called declaration. So, what is the syntax of declaration? Data type, variable name, semicolon. This semicolon is called the termination mark. Termination mark is used in C. Data type, variable name. Okay, what is a data type? Here, int is a data type. First, what is a data type? The type of data I am giving to the variable is called variable name. Simple. If I am giving a equal to 9, for example, a equal to 9 for example, so here 9 is an integer, isn't it? 9 is an integer, so I can give it as int here. I can give it into variable, into data type here. If I'm giving 9.6 and all, and I'm giving an integer data type here, it considers only a whole number data type. It do not consider this fractional part. Integer considers only whole number data type. Is that clear? Next. So here data type is integer, variable name is maximum max. I'm declaring it and giving a semicolon here. So I have declared it successfully. Now, how to assign a value to it? What I said, first declaring is important. Int, int and variable name. I have given it. To assign a value, you have to declare it first. So int maximum marks is equal to 5. Maximum marks is equal to 5. I have assigned it. Now declaration and assigning in single line. How to declare it? Data type. What type of data I am giving to the variable? Variable name. What's my variable name? Next, data. What I'm giving inside the variable? Data. This is the syntax for my assigning, declaring and assigning in single line. Now let's check how these variables and rules work by writing the code. This is called the boilerplate code. Now let us define a variable and see how it works. I'm giving an integer type data here, and here I'm assigning a value of 200. Let's print this so that we can understand better. Var. Do not think much about this printf percentage d and all. We'll know it in detail in next videos. For now, let's run this and check about the variables. Let's focus on variables. I'm running here and I'm getting 200 printed. That means this I declared this variable well and good. This variable is well and good. It's not showing any error. Now let's add this hello to it and see if it works or not. Here it's showing a compilation failed due to the following errors. Let's see. It is hello, how can you give me this space between these? Now let's add an underscore. It is giving me 200. That means we can't give any space between these two, but we can give underscore to it. Is that clear now? Yes. Now let's check if it should we give a number digit in the starting of the variable. Let's check. I am running this here. See, it is compilation failed because I can't give digits in the starting of the variable. So I can't. Again, it will drop. Okay. Now I'm doing the same here with caps variable. Same I'm writing, but in the capital letters so that we can know about this case sensitivity in this. Okay. Printf. Okay. Again, variables in here. Okay. Let's now check this. I'm getting 200 and 200 twice because, as I said, variable hello is different from variable hello because this is in lowercase and this is in uppercase. So this proves that variables are case sensitive. Okay, now I think we have checked all the rules in that. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn about data types in detail. Stay tuned for that video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.